Hi, we are backstage. It's after the hackathon at Disrupt New York. We're here with Witness, the creator of Witness, Marinos Bernitsas. Did I get that right?
Yeah, absolutely.
Well, congratulations.
Thank you so much. This is just so overwhelming. I can't believe it. And it's my first hackathon too, so I'm like, all kinds of things are going through my brain right now.
Right. So for people who didn't, watch the actual live stream or aren't totally caught up, what is Witness in like just a couple of sentences?
Yeah, absolutely. So Witness is the panic button for the smartphone age. So whatever the iPhone can possibly do to keep you safe if you have an emergency, it's going to do it. So it uses calling, texting, Wi-Fi, cellular, the microphone, the video camera, and also the GPS. So it's everything it can do, and also the internal storage. So in case it can't communicate with the external service, it uses the internal storage. And what it does is it's just a one-touch button. You just launch the app, and then instantly it notifies all your friends in your emergency list, and it sends them a link through which they can track the incident in real time. So they can look at what's coming out of the microphone, video, audio, and live location feed.
Cool. So how much? I mean, is it a fully functional app right now, or is it sort of more like a kind of like slides, or what? Somewhere in between, I assume.
No, yeah, it's definitely fully functional. I didn't have time to do the menu through the app where you would be selecting your emergency contact. So right now you have to do it through the web app. But ultimately, as soon as you launch it, you would have some kind of safety trigger that would trigger the menu, and then you could add your emergency contacts and stuff like that. But it's fully functional. We tested it on stage. It worked, which is crazy because what I realized in the past 24 hours is that live video is extremely hard to get, but it worked magically. And so, yeah, so it works, yeah.
And so you actually built this by yourself. It seems like that makes things extra hard.
Yeah, it was really hard, although I'm used to kind of working on my own. So I've been working on my own for the past year. But it was extremely hard. And also, my whole assumption about how the Wi-Fi network would be set up here was wrong. So they wouldn't, I wasn't able from my phone to directly talk to my laptop. So I had to set up an external server, so it was even harder to code it that way. But thank God it worked.
So is the plan that you're actually going to release this in the App Store at some point?
I would love to. Honestly, I've been thinking about this kind of thing for a very long time, and what prompted me to do it right now is because we've been seeing all these cases where people's lives have been completely changed because during incidents of police brutality and whatnot, there happened to be a witness with a camera. And so, like, my motivation for this is to have a witness around at whatever kind of emergency you're having, right? So in terms of releasing the app to the App Store, Apple is very restrictive about what they do with 911 type stuff. So I would definitely have to work around their guidelines so as not to get rejected. But I definitely want this to be in the hands of everyone because we all carry smartphones. And like, if you have an emergency, what are you gonna do? Are you gonna pull up the camera app and start recording? That's gonna take forever, and it doesn't text your friends, you can't live stream your location. It doesn't do any of that stuff. So we really need something like this. It's a one touch and then you forget about it. And also the screen goes blank. So if you're under duress, the other person can't see that you're actually recording them. So you're safe in that sense.
Awesome. Well, we will keep an eye out for Witness, the coming iOS app from the winner of the Disrupt Hackathon, and we will see you tomorrow at Disrupt.
Yes, I'm super excited for this. It's my first hackathon, first Disrupt. This is just surreal. So thank you guys so much, seriously. And it's been so fun. Honestly, it's been so fun meeting everyone, talking to all the API providers, everything. So it's awesome.
Awesome. Thank you.